This video, I'll be showing you how to set up a basic time switch. Now, as you can see, we're just at the dashboard to find the time switch feature. We go over to the left here, we got hosted PBX. This will click on this and we get the drop down, scroll down a bit and we find time switches. Just a quick brief outline on what a time switch is. It simply allows you to automatically switch incoming calls to a different destination based on the time of the day. So the best example is just simply your business hours. So when you open at 9 o'clock, you want the phones to be ringing wherever you'd like them to ring, to be honest. And then at the end of the day, you want them to be directed to either a voicemail or your out of office line. So simply to add a time switch, we click the green button here, add time switch, and it will bring up this box. You name your time switch. So as mentioned before, this will just simply be business hours. Now you select your time zone. So if you're located in Adelaide, Brisbane, Perth, or Darwin, as the time zones are different, make sure you select the right one so your phones are ringing at the right time. So as for example, we're just going to select that one. Now here we select the days, so if you operate 7 days a week, do select them all, as for example. But for this one where we operate Monday to Friday, so this is where the incoming call will be. So I want it to come in at 9 o'clock, Monday to Friday. Now I've set up a test queue, just for example, but you can set it up to go to an extension, an external number if need be, a ring group, or an IVR, however you'd like to. So for this one, it's going to go to our test queue at 9 o'clock, Monday to Friday. And then at the end of the day, we just want it to go to a basic voicemail. So you can set them up as need be to where you need it to go, if you do have after hours as well. Now that is how it is easily done. So make sure you have selected the right days, the right destination, and the right timing and AM and PM. So it's always good to double check. So as I'll do that, I'm selected Monday to Friday, I want it to go to my queue, 9 o'clock, and then I want it to go to voicemail at 5 p.m. Now I'm just going to save that one, hit OK. Now it is unlinked. So simply for me to link this one up, I'm going to go back to my number routing. This is my number here. We're going to click on edit on the right, and we want to route this to our time switch, which is our business hours. We're going to save that one. So what this means, when someone rings this number, it automatically picks up my time switch. So if they ring out of hours, they will go to my voicemail. If they ring within hours, it's just going to go to my queue. So lastly, I'm going to go back to hosted PBX, go to time switches, and as you can see, it's coming in from this number. Now, if you do have any questions or need assistance with this, do give us a call, but hopefully this helps you set up your basic time switches.